Hey friends, thank you for joining me today on Just a Little Homestead. Today what we are doing is opening up our discovery box that we got from HOSS. I ordered this about 2-3 weeks ago. I can't remember when I ordered this. And today we are going to unwrap it, I guess, open it up together and find out what's in here. I don't know what's in this box. This is a discovery box. It's $39.99 on the site, and you're supposed to get a little more than, I believe it says like $75 worth or more of products, but you don't know what it is until you get it. So we are going to open it together and see what we got. So hopefully we got some good stuff in here. It could be anything from like fertilizers to seeds to tools from what I read. So let's see. See how much I like it. I might have to order me another one if we're getting a very good deal. All right, I'm excited. Let's see what we got. Wrapping. Put this down. Put it here for now. Okay, so we have stickers. I love stickers. HOSS stickers. So I'm going to add that to my seed box. We have what is this? There's a cord. I was just talking, this is what I think it is. I think it's a heat mat. I think it might be a heat mat. Oh, if I can open it. I was just talking about this on the last video, saying that I only had 2. Is this what it is? Oh my God, a heat mat. Now I have 3. Oh, this is so neat. I needed this heat mat. I don't know the pricings on these. I'm gonna have to check it and put it at the end of the video. But this is exciting because I could definitely use another heat mat. Seeds. But before I open up the seeds, there is another tool in here. Oh wow. Oh, look at that. This is a hodag. Says it's perfect for planting, tilling, weeding, or just digging in the dirt. This is neat. I don't have one of these, so that's awesome. We have a card talking about joining the HOSS Gardening Club, which I did join, so we should be getting that package the next week or so. We will open that together as well. It's the January box. We have seeds. Okay, so I don't have this one. This is a Roadster tomato. I don't have that variety yet. Santa Fe Grande pepper, which I also don't have already, so that's perfect. A Bolero carrot. I don't have that one. And then the Sugar Baby watermelon. I actually just planted some of these, but the variety I had was not from HOSS. I think it was Am I Gardener, I think. And that's also the variety that I got at the Dollar Tree the other day, is the Sugar Baby. That was part of the experiment that we did. If you haven't seen that video, please go watch it. You'll be able to see the experiment that we did. But now we have HOSS variety. So this is really cool. I didn't have the other 3 seeds. I did have Sugar Baby, but not from them. And then this is oak leaf salad bowl lettuce mix. Oh, this is seed tape. 15 feet of seed tape. So you just plant the tape in the ground and all the seeds are in there. That's neat. I don't have any of their seed tapes. I don't have any seed tapes at all. I guess all of these are oak leaf salad bowl lettuce mix. All 3. Yeah, so 3 seed tapes. They're all 15 feet. They're all the same variety. That's really cool. It would have been awesome if they were different varieties, but we like lettuce, so we can plant that. And then the last thing that is in here, grow tie twine. It is a whole box of twine. This is very useful. So we can definitely use that when we are trying to trellis our stuff. Doesn't say how much is in here, but this is a very big box of twine. You can probably see it here. That's a lot of twine in there. And that is everything that's in here. Now again, I don't know the prices on any of this. I'm gonna get that and then let you know so we can compare to see how much we actually got in our $39.99 box. I think I got a lot more than what I paid for this box. So that's exciting. So I might have to order me another one. Let's find out what those prices are. I have the totals here for everything. This is amazing. So the HOSS germination mat that we have, the heat mat, by itself is $29.99. The Hodag that we got, this by itself, when you go to their site to buy it, this is $39.99 alone. That's what this entire box cost me, $39. That's this price. So I already paid my money back right here. That is awesome. The twine that we got, this here, is $19.99 for this. So just with these 3 things, the mat, the twine, the Hodag, that's $89.97 just for those 3 things. That already paid for this box double over. That is insane how much stuff that they put in here. These seeds, the Sugar Baby, $3.99. The Santa Fe Grand Pepper, this one is $3.99. The Roadster Hybrid Tomato, this is $9.99 on their site. This comes with 50 seeds, $9.99. And then the Bolero Carrot, this one is $4.99 on their site. And this has 750 seeds in here. So this one's $4.99. And then the seed tape that we got. If I can grab them. For 2, because they sell them, 2 of them for $7.95 on their site. And then they sell a pack of 6, which I believe was $19.99. So 2 is $7.95, but I got 3. So I didn't get the 2-pack or the 6-pack. They just gave me 3 of them. So roughly about 8, half of that, 12, 11, 12 bucks maybe, depending on how they would sell 3. because the 6-pack is 20 bucks, 10 bucks maybe. So for just the seeds, all the seeds alone, it's 34-ish, 35-ish. So if I total all the seeds plus the tools that I got, that is around $124, $125 for this box that I paid $39.99 for. That is amazing. That is an awesome deal. If you have not ordered one of these discovery boxes yet, I would suggest you go over there and you order one right away before they sell out. All the boxes are different, so you're not going to get what I got. Maybe you'd get a couple things that I got, I'm not really sure, but the site does say all the boxes are different. So I am going to be going and ordering another one because this is such a great value. $125 worth for $39. I mean, I can't complain about that at all. I will definitely be buying another one, and then we can open that one up together as well. But this was amazing. I got everything that I didn't already have. I mean, I have heat mat, but I needed another one, so that was perfect. I have the 2 different varieties of the Sugar Baby, but now I have HOSS variety. But nothing else in here I already owned. So now I have all of this stuff, and I paid $39 for it. That is just a great value. So I would definitely suggest getting one. I know I am going to get me another one to see what's going to be in the next one. It's just such a cool surprise to see what you get. But that is everything here. Thank you again for joining me in opening this box that I have been waiting for. Please like and subscribe and leave any comments or questions that you have. And we'll talk next time. Bye, everybody.